Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Sorry, I'm gonna try to be a little bit quiet because I have someone working in the next room, but I'm gonna try to update here very quickly. So I think we're gonna see a red September. We're gonna have the whole month is gonna be mostly red, and the reason for me to say this is because I'm looking at the Ethereum versus USD chart patterns, and what it looked like an ABCD bullish pattern. So from here, from A to B, it looked like it was gonna go up from C to D here, breaking the all-time highs and going up to near 500. That is what it was looking, because it was going up very strongly here. We had more green volume than red, so it looked like it would actually break the all-time highs and go to somewhere in the 500s. But now, after we had this crash here, after we had this recent crash here, this still looked like it could recover and actually make it to break the all-time highs. But after we had this lower high here and it continued to crash even further, now it looks very difficult. It's going to recover from here and go and break the all-time highs, because this wouldn't be part of the same pattern already. We saw here when it was going down, it crashed here, but we had a couple of daily candles recovering and going up all the way up here, but after that it continued to crash. So when we had this crash here, these 2 or 3 red candles, but then it started to recover, there could be still the opportunity to continue to recover from there and continue to the with the same pattern going up. But after we couldn't make it very high and it continued to crash, it looks very difficult now that it's going to recover from here and break the all-time highs. It looks more like the ABCD pattern. It's actually bearish. So this red line here is from A to B, and if you copy paste it, you get this one here from C to D. So I think this is going down to the 150 level, more or less. Of course, it's not going to do it straight in one single candle. It's going to have ups and downs, but in general, I think it's going to be going down according to this pattern. The point down below here is for the 5th of October. So I would expect the whole month of September to be mostly in red. And if we look at the Bitcoin chart, it actually matches as well, as it was expected to crash from 5,000 to 3,000 after touching the psychological level at 5,000. It was expected to have a big correction touching the 3,000 level. So if it does go down to 3,000, I draw this line here from high to high. So if it does it more or less in this speed, we would be at 3,000 by the 13th of October. If it bounces before that, it could bounce here because we have a strong support at 3,600. So if it does it in this speed, we would be touching 3,600 by the 1st of October. So 1st of October or 14th of October is more or less the same dates with Ethereum if it goes down here by the 5th of October. So the dates are more or less the same. So everything seems to point that we're going to have a red month of September. We had a red 2 months here in this crash after we touched the 3,000 top. So I would expect something, nothing less than that again after touching 5,000. So yeah, I would expect at least a red month here. And the same goes for most of the altcoins. Any altcoins that you are charting against the US dollar, if Bitcoin crashes, most of the altcoins are probably going to crash as well. So it could be a good opportunity to short during September, but not to go long. And I'll say it again, of course, it's not going to go down in one single candle. It's going to have ups and downs. I expect Bitcoin to go back up to 4,500, something like that, but I don't expect Bitcoin to make higher highs. But it will be bouncing up and down, but it looks bearish at the moment. Okay, so that was all for the quick update. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.